Got him, Mowgli. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Max's Streamer Fishing Outdoors. Today I'm at the rockfish capital of the world. It really ought to be known also as the hickory shad capital of the world. A lot of white shad here too, but we're going after hickory shad. I'll show you the lures I'm using when I get down there. I've got the rigs already rigged up. May go after some stripers, but mainly hickory shad today. I got Mowgli with me. He's over there messing around. Let's get busy. Let's see if we can catch one. Whoa, Mowgli. Dog. All right, guys, chartreuse, gold spoon's not got a hit. Guy bum me, caught one on white, so I'm gonna switch to this rig. It's another rod, got acerate on it, which is half white, half chartreuse. Let's see if this will catch him. Hey guys, that was first cast with acid rain. Very first cast. Little one, but I'll take them. No. All right, watch out. Watch out, stay. Stay. He gone. Got him, Mowgli. He's good. Good job. Just 3. I didn't have no luck till I switched colors.
Okay. Yeah, I watch you on YouTube, bro.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I've not had a good year so far, but...
Yeah, me neither. Yesterday I caught 9.
Right?
Late in the evening.
Every time I've gone, people have been catching 20, 30, 50. I go the next day and it's...
Right.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
Well, nice seeing you. What's your name?
Dusty.
Dusty?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. Nice seeing you. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw for some stripers for a while. That right there, we'll see what happens. Steady. Stay. Somebody's over me. Got one, Mowgli.
Now I'm over.
Got one, Mowgli. Little one again. Say little Mowgli. Alright guys, it's been a tough day. There's one right there. They're all about that size, which is kind of small. Let's get busy, see if we can get another one. Did it. You about did it. Alright, we're gonna let him go. We're gonna let him go. He gone. Mowgli, he's gone. Got another one, Mowgli. Hit white. Watch out for the hooks. Hold on. Guys, got another one. That one hit white. It might be turning on, hopefully. Look, look, come here. Come here, look. He gone, Mowgli. Hey guys, it's been a tough day. Said I've caught a handful. It's better than sitting at home. I'm gonna put, the water's cold. I'm gonna put the temperature of the water. I'll have to look at it on the internet. I don't have my thermometer with me, but I'm gonna put the temperature right here. Been having cold nights lately. Probably turn them off a little bit. A little high water don't affect these fish at all. Water's a little off color, don't affect them. These really cold nights probably do. Not many people catch them today, what I've seen. Just a few here and there. But let's get back busy. Catch one more, I'm just gonna go. We want one more, guys. What are you doing? There we go. There we go, guys. Mowgli, I got one. I got one. He hit chartreuse. Alright guys, we're probably going to end it on that. It's been a tough day. I've caught just 6 or 7, but fun day. Beat sitting at home. Maybe I'll get home in time to see the end of the Carolina Duke game. Hopefully see UNC win. Let's get him back in the water. Hit the subscribe button. It's going to be right up here. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.